In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the currency of your Shopify store. So let's get started right away. So first of all, what you want to do is click on the settings at the bottom left corner. Once you are here, you can see a couple different tabs, but you want to click on the general tab. From here on out, scroll a bit down till you see store currency. Right there, it's currently set on euros, but you can set it on anything you want. So let's say I would put it on British pounds or US dollars. I can just put it on that and then hit save, and that will just change the currency for my store. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.